Hello there. Quiet weather story across South Asia over the next few days. There is a problem with some fog and some poor air quality across the north, as we tend to get at this time of year. But most of the weather action, as you can see, moving out of the Bay of Bengal and impacting parts of Myanmar in particular. Some very heavy rain here, particularly along the coastline. Now, we will have a few scattered showers across Sri Lanka and maybe just grazing the far south of Tamil Nadu. But on the whole, it's dry, settled and sunny. Poor air quality, poor visibility, once again an issue across parts of northern India and also into Pakistan. Now, Central Asia is a little bit cooler and relatively quiet. There's a weak weather front that's moving through. It's brought some showers and some snow to elevation. Behind it, noticeably cooler conditions across parts of Kazakhstan. Back now into India, fine and settled Mumbai with mid-30s. Likely to see that dry weather down through the south, maybe one or two isolated showers across the Maldives and into Sri Lanka, but the heaviest of the rain certainly across Myanmar. So let's take a look at what to expect then as we go through the week ahead. Ashtanar will still stay cold with the risk of some snow showers into the early half of next week. Elsewhere, there's a lot of fine, dry weather around, but still those showers to the south. Hello there. A stormy spell of weather through the central Mediterranean could have an impact across the far north coast of Tunisia and maybe into Libya over the next few days. You can just make out the showers here and you'll be able to see on the city forecast outlook. Quieter though across the Ethiopian highlands. Our seasonal rains are just starting to shift that little bit further south, but we've still got some heavy rain across Nigeria and some fairly widespread rain moving its way from west to east through South Africa over the next few days. That's going to particularly impact Johannesburg. Behind it, though, Cape Town stays dry, settled, sunny and still pretty warm to come. So here's the story then. You can see Tunis over the next few days at risk of a few sharp showers, slowly easing away from Tuesday onwards. Elsewhere, we will continue to see a good deal of fine, dry, sunny weather in Cape Town, but unsettled and a little cooler as well for Johannesburg over the weekend. Across the Middle East, it's all been about the showers across Saudi and Iraq. We've had some showers of hail just recently, but into the weekend, the shower risk fades somewhat. It'll be a quieter story. There'll be a lot of fine and dry weather around, and those temperatures are still reasonably pleasant, perhaps peaking into the low 30s. Let's see if there's any change as we look through the week ahead. And as you can see, no, it's a dry, settled picture right throughout the next week.